The AIM-9X Sidewinder Block II missile was launched for the first time from a National Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile System during a flight test in May, according to a Raytheon news release. During the launch, which was supported by the Royal Norwegian Air Force and took place at the Andøya Test Center in Norway, the missile engaged and destroyed a target. Raytheon produces the AIM-9X missile, which is part of a U.S. Navy-led program involving the U.S. Air Force and 24 foreign military sales partners. The weapon can be launched from the air and ground. The U.S. Marine Corps is testing a prototype laser weapon that could be used by warfighters on the ground to counter enemy drones. The prototype Compact Laser Weapons System, or CLAWS, is the first ground-based laser approved by the Defense Department for use by ground troops, the Marine Corps explained. The program is on a rapid prototyping, rapid delivery track. The Defense Department believes lasers are a more affordable alternative to traditional firepower and that they prevent drones from tracking and targeting Marines on the ground. The release notes the laser is not a standalone weapon, but is meant to serve as part of a larger counter-drone system. If the prototype is successful, it could be incorporated into fixed-site and mobile capabilities designed to counter unmanned aircraft. The Army and Navy are also exploring the possibilities of laser technology.